Imagine why a hish mohori agus a fasti and Shackland shot ma jug uber cabbageal fies a she and cha go hariha ag feckin in the shomri who is styra looking at the rooms upstairs in the house. An Chiama Sawala on the theme of at home. Agus Arkamage Vokla Nuad on Shackland Shaw. We'll look at our new words for the week. So Shaw and cha, the house. Kitchen. Shomra C, sitting room. Shomra Cuddleta, bedroom. Fulkadan, bath. Shomra Fulka, sorry, the bathroom. And Fulkadan, the bath. And Lakabui, the yellow duck. Laba, bed. Etchlog, kite. Gargin, garden. Tadaji, cross, the daddy is cross. August to Shifra, August Sean, Estis, Shomra, Cuddleta, or Shomra Laba. You can have two words for bedroom. Shomra Laba, the bedroom, or in Shomra Cuddleta, the sleeping room. August chain two in the chalu, and then you go to sleep in the bedroom. August Shifra, Dalaba, she's bold because she ag Liam na lapacha, she's jumping on the bed. August Sean to Etchlogan alive, August she ag Slugru, he's playing. August Fekamaj Mami, August Oshin's Shomra Fulka. We see Mum and Oshin in the Shomra Fulka. August Oshin sa Fulkadan, Ulkadan, sorry, he is in the bathroom. August Laka Bui sa Fulkadan Lesh. The yellow ducky is in the bath with him. August Subble, Chimple air, all the suds are all over him. August Tashig Bunch Salt as Ulkadan, he is enjoying his bath. To come across the Erma Adaji, daddy is across because Tashifra Dalaba, Eglium na Lapaha. August Feckham go Elfie Sus and Alier. I see that Elfie is up Hus na Muskie, up in the boxes in the attic. Tashi Hus San Alier, he's up in the attic. So Shaw either Voklet on Shackton. We're going to look now at our little words, a little poem for the week. And it's called Esprit Sacha, having fun at home. Esprit Sacha. So HT Leshnish, and we will discuss the words then.
Esprit Sacha. Ta Ushin Biogs and Ulkadon.
To Oshin Biogs Begs and Ulkadan. The lady here on this video says it differently. We in Donegal say beg instead of biog. But little Oshin is in the bath.
Exugra is Esprit.
Exugru is Esprit, playing and having fun.
Ta Ushin Biogs and Ulkadon.
To Oshin Vegs and Ulkadan. Little Oshin's in the bath.
Esprit Leshan Lock of Wee.
Esprit Leshan Lack of Wee, playing with the yellow ducky.
To Sean sa Shomra Lapa. Exugra.
To Sean sa Shomra Lapa. Sean is in the bedroom. Exugru
is Esprit.
Expugru is Esprit, playing and having fun.
To Sean sa Shomra Lapa.
Sean is in the bedroom.
Esprit Leshan Echelon Bui.
Esprit Leshan Echelon Bui, playing with the yellow airplane. And we have another one, a scale, the story to do with the poster that we'll be learning at school too.
Anchach.
Anchach, the house.
Who's Styra?
Who is Styra upstairs?
Tagaktin is Sawalya.
Tagatan is Sawalya, everyone is at home.
Ta Sean agus Shifra Exugra sa Shomra Cuddleta.
The Sean agus Shifra Exugru sa Shomra Cuddleta. Sean and Shifra are playing in the bedroom.
Ta Farragar Yadi.
Ta Farragar Yaji, daddy is angry.
Ta Mami agus Oshin sa Shomra Fulka.
Ta Mami agus Oshin sa Shomra Fulka. The mum and Oshin are in the bathroom.
Ta Oshin san Ulkadan.
Ta Oshin san Ulkadan. Oshin is in the bath. And that is the story of our poster. So bunigi salta shinana shafashji agus bemajik merchant he will be playing all the games and all the different things to do with the house as well during the week. Guramaigov.